The kickoff event by Sustainable Health Systems Sierra Leone saw a gathering of stakeholders ranging from the Ministry of Health, international organizations, equity-seeking groups, to communities directly impacted by COVID-19. Dr. Suleiman Lakor, the Executive Director of Sustainable Health Systems, underscored the critical role of equity in shaping effective COVID-19 public health policies.
This is the space that Sustainable Health System, which is a local research organization, has worked with our partners in the University of Toronto in Canada for us to understand what really was the situation with equity, what really was the situation with disparity in relation to implementation as well as formulation of COVID-19 policies.
Principal investigator leading the research initiative, Dr. Christine Faim, via Zoom, highlighted the importance of incorporating equity-rooted interventions in public health strategies.
I believe that this project has tremendous potential for meaningful impact, and it's our intent to work closely with policymakers, community and civil organizations, and other key parties to design and conduct our study. Our hope is not only to describe what happened during COVID-19, but to empower decision makers to implement equitable health policies that will protect those most at risk.
The keynote speaker, Deputy Chief Medical Officer of Public Health, Ministry of Health, Dr. Ali H. Wuri, emphasized evidence-based policy formulation in response to health emergencies like COVID-19.
We are confident that we're going to have some findings that will help us from an informed position to come up with policies that will help us reshape our response to future outbreaks and how we can even prepare, even before responding, but how we can prepare in readiness to respond whenever that happens.
Participants raised questions about the effectiveness of the forthcoming report and its potential to shape the future trajectory of both countries. As the country awaits the release of the qualitative report, it is evident that the research initiative holds significant promise in advancing equity-driven decision-making in public health policies, not only in Canada and Sierra Leone, but globally. Sustainable Health Systems is a Sierra Leone-driven not-for-profit organization aiming to generate evidence responsive to local needs of healthcare services users, managers, and policy makers through fostering effective collaboration in capacity strengthening for research to policy translation. SLBC News, Esther Sako reporting.